Hey there, welcome to this week's Insightly Tips. I'm John Hill from the Web Warriors, and this week we're going to look at how to keep track of your sales opportunities. So one of the big challenges that business owners and salespeople come up to us with when we're running training courses and doing consulting is the question of how to keep track of an opportunity once it's gone into the system. And in particular, maybe you've made a phone call or sent an email and you need some way of just iterating that, keeping track of that opportunity. So we'll jump in and I'll show you how to do this in Insightly. This actually works really well. So we've jumped into Insightly, and just so you're aware, we always use a trial just so we don't have people's personal data sitting all over our screen recordings. So we always kick off a new trial when we're running these Insightly videos. So say for example, we open this particular opportunity and we want to make sure we've met this person at a networking event and we want to follow up them, say, in 2 days' time. So what you can do is go to this action screens over here. You can create a new task for this opportunity, and all it is setting a reminder. So follow up with Albert, and it's assigned to myself. The category is a phone call. That's the way we do our sales, and it's due in say tomorrow. And we have a reminder. He said he was out during the morning, so we'll have a reminder date of tomorrow at around about 1 p.m. So we'll pick a time as well, and we'll just change that to p.m. Okay, so this then sends me an email reminder in the system. So we go ahead and put in some details here of what the how the opportunity is going so far. Met at BNI Networking, really interested in product XYZ. Okay, likely to purchase early 2019. Okay, so we click save, and then that will in the system that will go ahead and actually remind us of when we're meant to be making that phone call. So say we've got the situation where it gets to Friday afternoon, 1 o'clock, and we've left this person a voicemail. So typically what we do is we would then jump back into our task screens, because you'd probably be operating from your task screen, and we've got this follow up with Albert task. So you'd be jumping into your task, which is set for today, this day, and then you're about to give him a call. So you just have this open in front of you. You'd probably be scrolling down to the description section so you remember some key notes, and you've left a message. Hey Albert, we've tried to get in contact with you. We'll give you a call later on this afternoon. So we just put a quick note in here. So it's going to be 27th October 2019, 18, and left voice message that will call back at 4 p.m. Okay, and then we're changing this to 4 p.m. We hit save. Okay, it gets to 4 p.m. Still no contact. So what we might want to do is you might shoot an email off, but the thing is we want to keep this task rolling. Okay, so it's got to 4 p.m. Try to call. No luck there. So we just literally write in another note. Try it again and left a voice message. We'll call on Monday morning. Okay, and you might send him an email or something like that. And all we're doing is we're changing this reminder date. So this is the thing that keeps rolling. So we might change this to say 10 a.m. Give him a little bit of time to get sorted in the morning. Nothing worse than people smashing with sales calls at 8:30 in the morning. And this is then our reminder. Okay, so ideally, if you've got multiple sales opportunities in your system, and you just need a way of tracking who's who you've called, and who the next person is to call, you just keep this task rolling over and just pushing the date out to when you are going to make contact with that person. So say we did get in contact with Albert again, called him on Monday morning, you put some notes into the description again, and you might actually put it in the notes section as well, and he might be like, great, yeah, I love what you're doing so far, let's have a chat the following Monday morning. So all we're doing is just setting this task for the following Monday morning, click save, and that reminds us when that following Monday morning is. So really hope that helps. Hope that clarifies how to use opportunities and tasks for opportunities. We've had people in the past that have created a task for every single time that they speak to a client. And what happens is this task list here fills up, goes really crazy. Some are open, some are closed, and it just gets really confusing. Best way is just to have a task open for each opportunity, and that you just follow that task and reset the reminder date for that task. So hope that helps. Once again, if you want to follow some of our other posts, we've one of our most popular posts is how to use a spreadsheet, a Google spreadsheet, to really quickly add data to a spreadsheet so it ends up creating a contact, an opportunity, and an organization, a whole lot of other stuff in the background. So you've just got one screen that you're working from. So sign up for our YouTube video to get more tips, and we'll see you next week. Take care.